In this video, I want to answer this question honestly. Is Adobe Express the best website to remove photo backgrounds? In my opinion, and from my research and knowledge, the best website to remove photo backgrounds online is Adobe Express. I've partnered with Adobe Express to bring you today's video, and it's genuinely the tool that I find myself using all the time, especially because I can create everything else for my business inside of Adobe Express when I'm done. So I use the Adobe Express Remove Background tool for so many things in my work when it comes to YouTube thumbnails, Instagram carousels, digital products, workbooks, presentations, so many different things. And today I want to show you exactly how I use it and why I think it's the best free background remover available right now. You see, I know how frustrating it can get when you are in the middle of creating something and you realize you have a photo, but you do not want to remove the background inside your project. Maybe you have a headshot with a busy background. Maybe it's a product photo that needs to look clean. Maybe you want to create marketing materials with the photos that you have taken, but you're struggling to get a clean, professional looking photo without the background. Whatever it is, Adobe Express makes it so much easier than anything else that I have tried. So whether you are creating YouTube thumbnails, carousels for your Instagram content, or workbooks and presentations for your digital products and online courses, today's video is specifically for you. So here's what we are covering today. I'm going to show you exactly how to remove photo backgrounds online completely free, how to export with a transparent background export, and how I use this feature to create my own YouTube thumbnail and digital products, presentations, and all of that jazz inside of Adobe Express. So let's dig in. Now, before we jump into the demo, let me give you a quick picture of what Adobe Express actually is. I think a lot of people only know it for one thing, and they don't realize how much it can actually do. And I want to make sure that you have the full picture before we get started. Adobe Express is Adobe's all-in-one content creation platform. It is built for creators and marketers who need professional results without a complicated workflow. It also sits inside of the same ecosystem as Photoshop, Illustrator, and Premiere. This means that your assets, fonts, and brand elements can move seamlessly across Adobe tools as your needs grow. And that is something that I personally love about it. Right here, you can see design tools, photo editing, video editing, social media templates, and even brand kit. Everything you need to go from idea to published content without switching between multiple apps. That alone is a game changer for anyone running a business. You can expand however you need right here. Now, the remove background feature specifically is powered by the same AI technology behind Adobe Photoshop. I want you to really hear that. You are getting professional level precision in a tool that is completely free to start. Here is how Adobe Express fits alongside other Adobe tools for background removal and image editing. Adobe Photoshop is the gold standard for professional designers and photographers. It has advanced masking, generative fill, and precision layer-based removal. It is built for complex commercial retouching and compositing work. And if that is what you need, Photoshop is then your tool. Now, Adobe Firefly is Adobe's generative AI tool, and it's great for creative backgrounds, swaps, and generating entirely new backgrounds using AI. And then there is Adobe Express. It is built specifically for solopreneurs, creators, and small business owners who need to remove background quickly, export a transparent background, and keep creating inside of the same platform. One click, completely free, no design experience required. Each tool has its lane, and today we are firmly in the Adobe Express lane. Let's get into the actual demo. This is where I show you exactly how the Adobe Express Remove Background tool works. I am going to start with a headshot. This is a photo of me, and you can see that the background is not something that I'm going to want inside of my designs right now. I just want me clean with a transparent background. Here in Quick Edits, I'm going to select Remove Background. I'm going to upload this image into Adobe Express, and it automatically removes the background. One click and the background is completely gone, and I have a clean cutout ready to use in my design. That took me under 10 seconds, but I want you to look at the precision here. The edges around my hair and my shoulders are handled cleanly. This is something that I would struggle with in other platforms, especially for my hair. That is the Photoshop AI technology doing its work. This is what makes Adobe Express the best website to remove photo backgrounds for creators. And it's not just fast, it's actually accurate, much more accurate than anything else that I have used, and I don't want to have to go in with a small brush and try to make it look good. I can just click download and go. Now let me show you the same thing with a product photo. Here I have a photo of my camera confidence cards with a background that I definitely want to remove. It's the same process. Here in quick edits, I am going to select that photo and I'm going to hit open, and it's going to remove the background. One click. Super easy. Now I have that perfect product photo that I can use however I desire. It's a clean cutout, precise edges, ready to be used for an ad, a landing page, an email campaign, or even a catalog. And this is what I mean when I say Adobe Express is perfect for product photos and headshots. It handles both beautifully. This is a fast and easy background removal tool. No complicated settings, no masking tools, and no tutorials needed. You just upload and click. Now let me show you how to export your image with a transparent background. This is where a lot of people end up getting stuck. Okay, so once your background is all removed, all you have to do is hit download. So download is right here. It is automatically going to download as a PNG. PNG is the file format that supports transparent backgrounds. And so your download is automatically going to have a transparent background. And just like that, I have a clean, transparent background PNG file on my computer, no watermark, and you don't have to add any credit cards either. This is a true no watermark image editor. What you download is exactly what you created. Now I can take this file and drop it in any design tool, any presentation, any document, and it will sit cleanly on whatever background I place it on. This is what a transparent background export looks like when it's done right, and Adobe Express makes it completely free. Now this is the part that I'm most excited to show you. Removing the background is honestly just the beginning. What makes Adobe Express the best website to remove photo backgrounds for creators is what you can do inside of the platform after removal. So let me show you two real use cases that I actually use in my own business. The first use case is a YouTube thumbnail. The second use case is a digital product or a presentation. This is what I mean when I say Adobe Express is not just a free background remover, it's a full design platform. You remove the background and you can keep creating right there. Now that is a complete different experience from tools that only do the removal and make you go somewhere else to finish the work.
Okay, so I'm going to hit remove background. And I'm going to upload the photo that I desire to use.
Okay, and it automatically removed that background. My next step would be to open an editor, and it's going to open inside of the Adobe Express editor. Now that I have a cutout of myself with the transparent background, I'm going to create a YouTube thumbnail right here inside of Adobe Express without leaving the platform. I'm going to head over here to templates, and I'm going to look for YouTube thumbnail templates. I can browse through the templates right here, and I can pick one that works for my content, and I can drop my cutout right in. I'm going to select this one, and I'm going to add as a page. Now I'm going to remove this person. I'm going to head back over to this page. I'm going to copy and then paste right here. Now this shows up a bit zoomed out, and I'm just going to make that smaller. I'm just going to resize and adjust. Here I've adjusted the positioning, I've adjusted the text, and just like that I have a professional YouTube thumbnail. And I even got inspired and created another one, and I like this one a lot more. I also use the remove background tool here inside of the editor. Now let me show you how I use this for digital products. So I'm going to hit remove background again, and I'm going to upload the photo that I'd like to use. Okay, so it is removing the background. Okay, perfect. So I'm creating a workbook. I'm going to take my photo cut out and drop it into a workbook template. Now, all I have to do, again, is click Open Editor. Same process. I'm going to browse templates. I'm going to select one, drop my cutout in, and customize with my brand fonts, colors, brand kit, and all of that jazz. Customize with my brand colors and fonts using brand kit, and I'm going to add my text, and I have a professional page for a workbook or a digital product. Again, I'm going to head into templates. I like the look at this one. I'm going to add as a page. I'm going to copy my cutout. I'm going to paste it over here, make sure I resize it and reposition it exactly where I want it. And I'm going to create a workbook. This is what I mean when I say Adobe Express is not just a free background remover, it is a full design platform. You remove the background and you can keep creating right in here. This is a completely different experience from tools that only do the removal and make you go somewhere else to finish the work. So let me break down exactly who Adobe Express is built for when it comes to background removal. For solopreneurs, if you are creating content across so many different platforms and formats, thumbnails, carousels, digital products, lead magnets, presentations, transitions. The Adobe Express background remove tool lets you handle all of that in just one place, and it's completely free without needing a designer or a complicated workflow. It is the best free background remover tool for solopreneurs right now. For content creators, if you're creating YouTube thumbnails, if you're creating content for Instagram or any kind of visual social media, background removal is something that you are going to use constantly. Adobe Express lets you remove background quickly, export your transparent PNG, and keep designing all in the same platform. Even for small business owners, removing backgrounds for product photos, headshots, and marketing materials used to mean having to hire someone or pay for really expensive software. Adobe Express gives you professional level results for completely free. It's perfect for product photos and for headshots, and also handles complex backgrounds with precision every single time. Now, for course creators and educators, workbooks, presentations, slide decks, and even digital downloads all look more professional when your images have clean, transparent backgrounds, and Adobe Express makes that fast, free, and accessible, even if you have no design experience at all. All right, hopefully you've learned a lot along the way in this video, but I want to answer a few questions that I get a lot, so I'm going to answer them directly. What is the best website to remove photo backgrounds? It's Adobe Express, and it's powered by the same AI technology behind Adobe Photoshop. It is completely free, exports clean, transparent PNGs with no watermark, and you can keep designing inside of the same platform after removal. It is the best website to remove photo backgrounds for creators and solopreneurs in 2026. Is Adobe Express a free background remover? Yes, Adobe Express is a true free background remover. You can remove photo backgrounds online directly in your browser at express.adobe.com. No need to download anything, no watermarks, and no credit card is required. Now, can I move backgrounds quickly in Adobe Express? The answer is yes. Adobe Express lets you remove backgrounds quickly in one click. Upload your image, you hit remove background, and your cutout is ready in seconds. Is Adobe Express a good product for photos and headshots? Yes, Adobe Express is perfect for product photos and even for headshots as well. The AI-powered removal handles complex backgrounds with precision, and it gives you clean, professional cutouts every single time. Can I export images with a transparent background in Adobe Express? The answer is yes. Adobe Express supports transparent background exports. You can download your image as a PNG with a transparent background, and it's ready to use in any design, any presentation, or even marketing materials. Is Adobe Express a no watermark image editor? The answer is yes. Adobe Express is a true no watermark image editor. Your exports are clean and watermark free on the free plan, and there's no subscription required for that. So if you want to know my final verdict, if you're looking for the best website to remove photo backgrounds, one that is fast, free, accurate, and lets you keep creating after the removal, Adobe Express is the answer you are looking for. I use it in my own business, and I can genuinely recommend it. You can try it using the free link in the description and letting me know in the comments, what are you going to use it for first? I'm looking forward to hearing your answers. I will see you in the next video, friend.